Please.
Yes, please.
Yes, please have a seat. Yes, good morning.
Very good morning.
Yes, have a mic and put on your shoulder. Hold. Okay, so how are you?
Good, sir.
Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir. I am
Okay,
feeling comfortable.
So, yes, tell us about yourself.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. So, I am Shashi Yadav. I am 21 years old. I have completed my graduation from the Due Soul and I have completed my schooling from the CBSE. Apart from this, my hobbies, like I am fond to traveling, and apart from this, I always like my communication skill is really very good. I love to do exercises, which is really important for me in my life.
Okay, so Shashi, why do you want to be cabin crew?
Sir, it was really amazing story. When I was a child, so when I was traveling with my family in aeroplane, so at that time what I saw in the aeroplane, the one cabin crew who was handling everything in very good way, and like the way she was speaking, the way she was handling all the passengers. So I always loved which they present themselves in very good way. So I want to. Then I decided, yes, I want to become a cabin crew, which is really important for me.
Very good.
Okay,
Yes.
so when you were watching the cabin crew member
Yes.
who was telling you the instruction, so what are the responsibilities she was telling the passengers and which type of responsibility you will get after becoming the cabin crew member?
So after becoming a cabin crew, the responsibility is very, very important, because in cabin crew you will have to provide great emergency things, which is really important. You will have to provide everything towards the passengers. You will have to clear all the doubts of the passengers if they will face any kind of problem. So how you can deal? So we have to explain all the circumstances which is happening in the airplane in emergency. So we can use the equipments of which we all learned in our training periods. So it is important to handle all the situation in.
So Shashi, it is categorically in front of us that being a cabin crew, something is holding a lot of water. It's all about the communication.
Yes.
So
yes.
what is the significance of communication in this particular occupation that you're looking
In
for?
a cabin crew, the role of communication is very, very crucial, because right now when we decide we have to become a cabin crew,
Yes.
so first of all you want to work on your communication skills, where you will have to deal with the passengers, because everyone has speak different language. So definitely we will learn something new languages. We will always try to get to the point which kind of problem they are facing. Then I will have to clear all the problems, all the difficulties. I will have to provide the facilities according to their needs. It is important.
Okay, so are you known about the hectic schedule of the cabin crew
Yes,
member,
I know.
right?
Yes, of
So
course.
there is a lots of stress and pressure
Yes, sir.
about the traveling and about the time zone of other countries.
Yes.
So how will you handle it?
Sir, basically when the training was giving me in this type of things, so they always teach you how you will handle this kind of thing, how you will just come from this kind of thing. So in the hectic situation, we will first of all the calm and compose. We have to think with a great mindset. And after becoming thinking, you will just utilize your time in a good way. When you will get your time, just sleep and just get up. Then you will have to attend your next flight. So it is important to handle all the situation as a hectic situation.
Okay, so it's very good that you are totally cognizant of that. Is somehow how a person has to go bite of more than one can chew.
Yes.
So Shashi, what do you feel that if I would like to give you a topic, how would you like to mention that? What's the women empowerment according to you?
Like, sir, right now women empowerment is increasing, because right now we all know our India countries also every girl get a freedom, so
Yes.
they can do everything in their life what she wants in their life.
Yes,
So they can easily do which kind of interest she has, so they can easily do. So with the help of women empowerment, we know they can express their views, they can speak with the freedom, they can raise voice against any kind of problem if they are facing. Because of the women empowerment, we can see the women also showing their confidence, also showing their which kind of capability she has to do something in their life. So it is important.
Okay, so how do you set your examples in terms of women empowerment? Which type of things are you doing by which the women can know about yourself? Yes, she is doing well.
Sir-
I need to be an inspiration.
Okay, sir. As a what I think, like if I will give you example, right now I'm just always try to give best in my education sector. If I will get job anywhere, if I will promote the women empowerment, equality, so they can easily understand what is the importance of women empowerment. You can just get your freedom, you can raise your voice, you can always be independent, you can enjoy your life with their own self. So it is important to understand this.
So, Shashi, as it is said that the cabin crew job is not long lasting.
Yes.
So, after a couple of years, what would your ambition that you will looking for?
After this, if I will decide which kind of thing I want to do after leaving this kind of job, then in the field of, like, I have some also, like, I will join the dance academy because I love to do dance, so I can easily do. It is not like in a simple way we can always follow the hobbies and passion which we have.
So, dance makes you happy?
Yes, always dance makes me happy.
Nice to see, like, dance makes you happy. So what's the condition of our airlines nowadays in India?
Right now, sir, the like Indigo, which is really very famous airline. Right now, I also want to join in this airline because whenever I saw the people who always travel in the Indigo airlines, so they always give a good feedback. They always say it was the amazing, and I experienced so many things, which is the food quality, the behavior of the cabin crew, everything was very amazing. So it is really important.
Okay, so my next question is that when you were traveling in the airline,
Yes,
right?
yes.
That was your childhood.
Yes.
Okay, so which type of things have you experienced from that, apart from the cabin crew member? Which type of facilities you got, and which type of things you have experienced that was the good flight?
When I was traveling in airplanes, so what I observed, like, when the food quality of the airline, that was amazing, and another side, the view of the weather, you can see outside the window. It is really very amazing because at that time you never seen this kind of thing, and suddenly you can see this kind of thing, so you know which kind of feeling you feel. So I feel that by traveling in the aeroplanes lines, you can always experience so many peoples. You can see so many people who were sitting in the aeroplane, so we can, like, talk to each other, we can share which kind of culture they have, we can share this.
So, Shashi, thank you so much
Thank
for
you, sir.
talking to us, and it was really pleasure to meet you. And
Yes.
now
And we will let you know.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.